Hello, welcome. I'm really happy that you are here today and that you are taking a few minutes to listen to this talk. Today, I want to talk about a topic that might seem simple at first, but if we look deeper, we see a world full of feelings and meaning behind it. The topic today is letters that children write to Santa. Most of us remember this image from childhood, a child sitting at a desk or on the floor, full of excitement, taking a piece of paper and starting to write a letter to Santa. They write because they believe someone is listening, someone who cares, someone who might make their wishes come true. This simple image may seem nostalgic and fun, but from a psychological perspective, it is much more meaningful than just a game. Researchers and psychologists have been studying children's letters to Santa for many years, not just as a fun holiday tradition, but as a real way to understand a child's inner world. They read these letters to see how children think, what is important to them, and how they express their feelings. In many letters, children write that they have been good this year. This simple sentence shows something important. A child wants to be seen. A child wants to be recognized. A child wants to feel valuable and believe that their good behavior has meaning. From the perspective of developmental psychology, this need is completely natural. Interestingly, not all letters are about toys, gifts, or material things. Some children don't ask for anything for themselves at all. They write about their families, about worries, fears, or problems that they might not be able to share directly. For a child, Santa is a safe figure, someone they can talk to without fear, someone who does not judge, someone who listens. And this is exactly why these letters are so important for psychologists, because children can express their real emotions in a safe and imaginary space. As children grow older, their questions change. They start to think more logically. They ask if Santa is real. They wonder how the story is possible. This stage is a natural part of mental development. It is where children slowly learn the difference between imagination and reality. Psychologists believe that imagination at this stage is not only healthy, but also essential for a child's emotional growth. Imagination helps children feel safe. It allows them to express feelings that they might not have words for yet. For this reason, a simple child's letter can be a small window into a child's mind and heart. Now, to make this topic more concrete, I want to share some very short letters from children. These letters are from children with different family situations, from different social classes, but they all have one thing in common: the need to be heard. Dear Santa, I don't want a gift this year. I just want my mom to be less tired. Hi Santa, please make my dad smile again if you can. Santa, please help me feel less scared at school. I don't want toys. I just want a good friend. Santa, please help stop the wars. Santa, I have all the toys I need. I just want my dad to spend more time at home. Hi Santa, please help us have a warmer home. Santa, I don't want new shoes. I just want my old shoes to last. Santa, please make my mom and dad fight less. Santa, I hope when I grow up, my mom will no longer feel sad. Even these short sentences say a lot. They show that children are not only thinking about gifts, they have feelings, they have worries, and they have hope. It doesn't matter if the child comes from a wealthy family or a less privileged one, their emotional needs are very similar. And perhaps the most important thing for all of them is that someone listens to their voice. Thank you for being with me today and thinking about this topic. I hope this talk has helped you see the children's world a little deeper. Until next time, take care of yourself.